You're standing on a scenic overlook in a national park. The sun rises slowly, fog wraps the valleys below, and golden light spills over a distant waterfall. You're about to capture it all, not with a heavy drone case and a checklist of pre-flight rituals, but with a device so compact it slips into your jacket pocket. You press a button, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro takes flight. On your controller screen, the view is breathtaking, real-time, cinematic. Crisp 4K HDR footage flows smoothly as you glide above the landscape. It's almost like you're flying yourself. If the latest leaks and rumors are accurate, this might not be a fantasy much longer. The Mini 5 Pro could redefine what's possible for creators, vloggers, drone pilots, and filmmakers alike. The Mini Series Legacy, a compact revolution. When DJI introduced the original Mavic Mini, it set a new standard. A sub-250G drone that didn't require FAA registration, yet could still shoot great footage. It was lightweight, user-friendly, and affordable, the perfect entry point for beginners. Then came the Mini 2, Mini 3 Pro, and Mini 4 Pro, each pushing the boundaries further with better sensors, smarter software, longer ranges, and more professional features. But users kept asking for two things: longer flight time, a camera that rivals larger, more expensive drones. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI seems ready to deliver both. Flight time, 50 minutes in the air? The Mini 4 Pro offered about 30 minutes of real-world flight. Respectable, but limiting, especially for professional creators. According to credible leaks, the Mini 5 Pro could stretch that to a jaw-dropping 50 minutes. That's not a small upgrade. That's a game changer. More airtime means more creative flexibility. Waiting for the perfect lighting during golden hour. Shooting multiple takes on a single battery. Exploring larger areas without having to land and recharge. Pair this with faster charging technology, another rumored feature, and you've got a tool built for all-day shoots without the usual downtime. Camera power, a bigger sensor, better everything. Rumors point to a larger image sensor, possibly 1 inch or close to. That alone elevates this drone from hobbyist to professional grade. Bigger sensors mean better low-light performance, cleaner images with less noise. More dynamic range in every frame. Expect stunning detail in highlights, shadows, and subtle color transitions. Whether you're filming a desert at noon or a twilight. Cityscape. Other rumored camera upgrades include 4K at 60 FPS. Perfect for cinematic motion and smooth slow-mo full HDR support. Capture true-to-life light and shadow in high-contrast scenes. Pro video profiles like D-Log-M and HLG, essential for color grading and matching drone footage with mirrorless or cinema cameras. And yes, vertical shooting is reportedly getting better than ever. TikTok, Reels, Shorts. This drone will be built for it. Smarter, sharper, smoother. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a flying camera. It's a thinking machine. Onboard audio recording, rumored, adds a whole new layer for vloggers. Smarter scene analysis and automatic exposure adjustments promise pro-level results without fiddling with manual settings. A redesigned UI, seen in leaked images, shows smoother flight interfaces, better real-time previews, and clearer flight data. These aren't just spec bumps. They're quality-of-life improvements that matter for how creators actually work. Transmission and range, up to 25 kilometers? Let's be honest, you're not flying your drone 25 kilometers away, at least not legally. But a stronger transmission system means more stable video feed, fewer dropouts, more reliable flying in tough environments, dense forests, urban areas, canyons. This kind of range is less about distance and more about confidence. When you're filming something that matters, you want a rock-solid connection. Safety. First, smarter obstacle. Avoidance leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro could include wide-angle dual front sensors, possibly even LiDAR or enhanced vision systems. That means better, obstacle detection, more responsive braking, and safer navigation, even in tight spots or complex terrain. For new pilots, it's peace of mind. For pros, it's the freedom to fly low, fast, and creatively without crashing. The bottom line, from everything we've seen and heard, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just a refresh. It's a reimagining of what a sub-250 tree drone can do. With longer flight times, a larger sensor, pro-grade video tools, smarter safety systems, and real-time transmission that rivals DJI's premium gear, the Mini 5 Pro might become the go-to drone for everyone from solo content creators to professional filmmakers. Compact, intelligent, powerful, and ready to fly. If the rumors hold true, DJI isn't just raising the bar again, they're launching it into the stratosphere.